All right, so we're gonna find our spare tire. So you need to open up the trunk for your Subaru Outback. This is a 2024. It's gonna be the same in all Subaru Outbacks. Take out the weather guard and you'll see a latch right here. You can just lift the latch and this is where your spare tire is at. First, you'll see your tools like your jack and everything you need to replace your spare tire. So we're going to take this out, and this is your spare tire. We need to check to make sure this has been sitting in there for 2 years. It loses 1 to 2 psi per month. So we can just unscrew this. Once you unscrew this, you can go ahead and take your spare tire out. Put it right here. Okay. And as you can see, it tells you 60 psi for the actual air pressure for the tire. You can take your DeWalt and in the back, turn it around and you'll see your air right here. You can unscrew that. Go ahead and plug this in. And as you can see, when you turn on the machine, it's going to tell you that it's 27.5. So we can go ahead, let's get it back to 60. So, and just press play. We're almost at 60. And it's as easy as that. We can unplug this, put the cap back on, and you're ready to go. You can put this back into the trunk. You take your screw, you just turn it clockwise this time, secure your spare back in. Okay, it's good. Okay, we're gonna put this toolkit right back in. That's styrofoam. It fits together just like a puzzle piece. And then we put our trunk piece back on. And then you can put your weather guard back in. We're good to go.